we are together. We are trying to find a solution, and the minister has played a major role in changing the attitude of the engineers in looking at it in this particular fashion. Okay, we are very happy that he has been talking to the engineers again and again, saying that please consider industry as a valued customer. Okay, that attitudinal change is going to make a lot of things happen. You know, the frequent power shutdowns are taken care of, power breakdowns are taken care of. Some require additional capacities to be built into the thing, which are possibly medium term, and of course the long term would be where whole of Goa would have 24/7 uninterrupted power. And I think if this goes through, lot of industries would be now ready to come to Goa.
कटकटींग विटून उद्देगांची संघटना पॉवर मिनिस्टरा मेरेन पावली. पॉवर जाग्यार घालूंक खंय 3 पावण्यार काम जातले. तातूंत ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, कंडक्टर, स्ट्रीट लायटी बदलपाचे, उपरांत भुयारी केबलिंग आनी वेर्ना इस्टेटीक खंय 220 kV सब स्टेशन मेळून 700 कोटींचो प्लान आसा.
With the one stroke, we cannot resolve that problem, and that's why we are planning to resolve that problem in 3 phases, phase wise. To resolve their problem, to solve their problem, we need to have a strong infrastructure. That is what we need, and accordingly, government is planning to have substations in various industrial states, substations, and also we are planning to change the transformers, upgrade some of the transformers, and accordingly we are planning. I think they are very much happy to have this meeting with the government officers, and we'll have a next meeting with the Chief Minister along with the IDC people and also with the PW people. Our department has planned to create a very strong infrastructure, and accordingly we have submitted a plan of 700 crores to the Chief Minister, and Chief Minister assured us to provide the 700 crores within these 3 years.
IPB खाला सरकार आनी 150 उद्देग आनी प्रोजेक्टांक थेट अप्रुवलां दिवन मेकळो जाला. हांगा आशिल्ल्या उद्देगांक सध्या लायट, रस्ते आनी उदकाची मारामारी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी विजय तुकाराम मराठे.